challenge. Me and Ekam.
Harnoor's
gonna be the judge. So me and Ekam are gonna say 6 colors in this, and we're gonna number them, and then we're gonna try to find the 12-sided dice.
Okay.
So Harnoor, could you please kindly give us our papers? We're gonna color.
Color the house.
We're gonna color
We're gonna color
this.
this house.
And then Hunter's gonna judge which one he likes the most. And you guys can also comment down below which one do you guys like as well. So, first we gotta find the dice. We're going too fast. Okay. Okay.
Wait,
Whoa, wait.
Ooh, 12 dice.
That's not 12 dice.
Yes, it is.
This is 12 dice. You found the 12 dice. We found the 12-sided dice.
Now let's put all
So,
these other dice away.
Okay. Look at this kind of dice.
Can I see? That's a fraction dice. Is there a 20-sided dice?
Dice. What are you
Yes.
doing, man?
This is the
Thing. Okay. So now Ekam's gonna pick 6 colors.
so I can change them on this paper.
These colors.
No, I don't care.
Just pick any.
Just choose random.
And I'm gonna get 6 colors. Okay, now we're done.
Where's the
This
bottle?
is what we did.
Oh.
Now
We're gonna roll the dice.
and whichever number we get, we're gonna use that color on our houses. So
Let's begin.
you
You roll first, Harman.
We're gonna be using. This is our chart. This is a little bit of a chart. Okay, I'm gonna go first.
5.
6. 6 is. What kind of color is this?
It's that one.
No.
It's that one. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna be using this color for the house.
Now let me roll all of that.
No, just only one color for one part.
It was rude. I rolled a 9.
Wait,
that's a 9 or 6? No, 9. I rolled like my house.
Where's a rocket?
No, it's a lighthouse.
No, it's a dice. So when it explodes in the air, all the dice comes nowhere.
Okay, so it's a roll dice though.
Okay, I'm gonna roll. I got a 2.
Yes, that orange.
Yep. Okay.
For the heart.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna roll now. Well, he's coloring. I got a 3. Green. I got a green.
It's a darker green.
Yeah. So
Try it.
Wait,
Check it.
Try it. I already know this is it. See?
No, it's light.
Oh, it's this one.
Oh yeah.
Check it out. Just in case. This is the color I have for my second.
So far, this is how my house looks like.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's your second. I'm almost done, guys. See? I'm almost done.
Man, practically done.
Now we need to color 2 more things. Ooh, can I play with the dice? No! So guys, we're using the colors we already got again.
So now we're done coloring. So now our judge is gonna decide which one he likes. And also you guys can
Comment down below which one
that
you like more.
like. So
3, 2,
1.
This is mine.
This one's mine.
I like Harman.
Thank sure you can win. I'm positive.
Guys, which one do you like more?
You guys like more.
So, watch this video, share.